is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the to the moon? We're going real soon. I said it, so change your attitude and your
Wall Street. There we are. I wanted to use my mic. Good morning, Wall Street Pete. Crypto in crypto. Want to learn how to make crypto in crypto? Well, every day come to you with a live possible. Talking about and dissecting this crypto space, technical analysis, and I have many thank yous. Thank you very much. Finally hitting 1.5K subscribers for the very first time, and I thank you so much. We talk about this Bitcoin news every morning, breaking it down to you. Happy Labor Day weekend for everyone. If the Bitcoin ETF gets approved, price could reach 185,000. Tom Lee. Pretty excited to hear about this. This is a possibility. I do believe in all this. Hit the heart, hit the like, and subscribe. Good morning to you. I do appreciate the morning live. I hope everybody is having a wonderful morning. There's a lot to talk about. If you're in this crypto space, you could feel this way, and you really well could feel this.
It got me like...
The bear market's got you like this.
Take it too far, God. If you listen, help! I can't take it too far, God. If you listen, help!
So the bear market might have a couple of you like that. I do understand. This is Wall Street Pete, Crypto and Crypto. Finally, the first time I've ever received 1.5K. Can we get to 2K? I don't know. We'll keep striving, keep doing homework for you, as none of this is financial advice, right? So hit the bell, all notifications, become a subscriber. In the morning, we talk about the crypto news, stock market, if you would like. Talk about a lot of things in this thing here. We call this a channel, podcast, morning show, whatever you may want to call it. But I'm pretty excited, so let's get into it. If you're having a rough morning, I don't know how that's happening. It's Saturday, maybe or Sunday. You got to work overtime. It's September 3rd. It feels like a Saturday, but tomorrow we may have off. It's Monday, right? Labor Day. So get excited. But if you're not in a good mood and you got to work, well, get your feet off the ground. Go back to bed until you hear a tune and put your ass in a better mood, because sometimes it just takes that. So Uniswap. News Uniswap is now getting released from any problems, acquitted. The real culprits were the issuers of the fraudulent tokens, not Uniswap, right? If someone is a hacker, somebody is stealing from you, it's not going to be the platform's fault. If the platform did anything wrong, then obviously they would be known. So biggest news of the week in crypto was Judge Fiala dismissing the case against Uniswap and calling BTC and ETH commodities. This is the same judge who is presiding over the SEC versus the Coinbase case. So different opinions here. A lot of people think that is fantastic news. I think it's good news. And once again, thank you so much. Was it for all of the beautiful people with your support, we wouldn't be where we are. So good morning to you. If you're just tuning in, hit the like and subscribe. Michael Van de Pope says Dogecoin will skyrocket 150% if Elon Musk integrates Dogecoin into X. Price will start to accelerate. Many people don't know, but if this does come into play, this would consider lower fees. It would integrate and help that. So the surge in meme coins coincides with increasing speculation about Musk's X potentially integrating Dogecoin as a mode of payment on the platform. So this is a big deal. Like I said, it would definitely change the payments, lower the fees. This is how they think they're going to do it. Elon Musk also did apply. He did apply. Here it is. Formerly known on Tuesday, secured the Rhode Island currency transmission license. It's enabling the platform to offer its services within the state. So he does have some ideas there, and I hope you're enjoying the show in the morning. And here it is again. Elon Musk could reportedly turn X into a newfangled PayPal. What does this mean for Dogecoin? So once again, Dogecoin being formally picked out of the bunch. As you can see here, Elon Musk could turn formerly Twitter X into an updated PayPal, according to a scoop by Charles Gasparnaro. So I might have killed the name, but this is what we're talking about. This is what's happening. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick doing crypto. And real quickly before we get into the charts, because the charts is obviously the best part of the show, we have 7 cryptocurrency mining stocks. So just going over really quick, if you're interested in the mining aspect of things, here they are. These are the top 7 known for this particular asset. Here is Riot Platforms, and a U.S. Bitcoin mining company focused on growing its hash rate and infrastructure. Imagine infrastructure capacity. So this is something interesting I like to pay attention to. In August, Riot reported a record of 76.7 million in quarter revenue. So pretty big, and a record hash rate, by the way, of a capacity of 10.7. So these things are very important, as the hash rate does meet its all-time high for Bitcoin right now currently. So as put that into consideration, and then pay attention to all of these companies. We do have Marathon Digital Holdings, Mara, also in U.S. Bitcoin mining company that operates its own mining pool, invests in the mining hardware, builds custom firmware, and designs mining infrastructure. All right, so we got the third one coming in, and that is Cipher Mining Incorporated. So that technology company focused on developing and operating Bitcoin mining data centers in the U.S. in August. So reported a self-recording mining hash rate capacity of 6.8, not as high as the other one in the 10, but still very good in the second quarter, and said that the company is on track to jump above that number at the 7.2. Then coming in again here, I guess this is in particular order. They have Hunt 8 Mining Corp, which is also HUT for the abbreviation, a Canadian digital asset mining company that operates 2 mining faculties. So pretty interesting there. Also TeraWolf, known as Wolf in the U.S., another U.S. Bitcoin miner focused on making clean crypto mining. The company says its current Bitcoin production is powered by more than 90% zero carbon energy. So that's pretty interesting. They're going to look to jump that number to 100. I do find that interesting. And then they do have Canaan. CAN is a somewhat unconventional cryptocurrency mining stock that the company produces high-performance application-specific integrated circuits. Companies mining mine crypto. So this is probably the opposite. But Canaan reported 11.1 million in mining revenue in the first quarter and said it's holding 623 Bitcoin. I find this very interesting. Some people may not. And finally, Bitfarms, BitF, if you're interested in abbreviation, is another Canadian Bitcoin. So we have the U.S. and Canadian pretty much running the show for the mining right now. In this particular article, as the top 7, that runs a vertically integrated operation, including on-site technical repair company, owned electrical engineering and installation services. So pretty exciting between this mining, because they're getting free crypto. Many people don't even know what it is, but if you're interested in that sort of thing, hit the like and subscribe. 226 days until the next Bitcoin halving. Total crypto market is fluctuating from the 1.9 all the way to this 1.5, 1.04 now that we're at. But let's get into the charts, right? It was the most fun part of the video. What do we talk about on my channel? Well, we talk a lot about the charts, how if you keep testing, and this is a problem, and this is what we don't want to see, if you do keep testing, and this is another confirmation coming shortly, the more and more that we test these liquidity grabs, the more and more you're going to find that the jumps to the upside are going to be dead. So we're going to pay close attention to that because what's happening is our peaks are dying, and we can't wait to find out where the next peak for this is. Is that the next peak? Is this the next peak? And then here we are coming in. We're going to find a double top pattern, which is ultimately going to bring this back down. Where are we going to start heading? We're going to start heading to the 21,600 that I predicted, possibly 24,000 to 21.6. It could be anywhere in between there, but you have to pay attention. As you can see here, 25,370 right there. We've been talking about this price on the 4-hourly for a long time. You can see it here. So I want to get rid of this, clean this up. This is Bitcoin on the 4-hourly. Each candle represents 4 hours. So pay attention to that. You can see the liquidity grabs coming in. The support is what we call this on the blue line. Very significant. And this is all the way back from June when BlackRock said they were going to go application filed in. You can see the price action just on the application being filed. And obviously there is a consolidation coming through and through until we get this big more drop. So this is where it's coming into the pattern. As you can pay attention to 4-hourly, if we don't break above this price, which is 26.6, I'm not going to be able to take anything serious at all. So we're going to have to really pay attention to that. 26.6 is an issue here for Bitcoin. And obviously, as we know, we could just put another price there. That's fine. Just so you could see it, screenshot, do what you want. None of it's financial advice, but it does help. So pay attention to what we got here for the price action. If you can see here, 26.6 and 25.3-ish, 25.4. The more and more we test, the weaker we're going to get. You can see the weak points coming in. I'm showing you the circles, how we are jumping up. And now we are finally getting smaller jumps. So where is this next jump here? Are we just going to turn it into an M? And that's a good chance. So please be very careful. No oscillators, no indicators out at all right now. So that's kind of weird. So let's do that real quick. Right, let's get some indicators out here. I want to get the RSI too. That's obviously important here sometimes. 4-hourly short term. So it's looking like we could get a fall here or a jump to the upside. We're in any typical order right here. Nothing specific. This could always go either way. Obviously, I'm going to try and break it down and find out which way we're going. But we were looking for something down here in this pattern, which was definitely in August. We got a signal that, hey, we're starting to consolidate here and hit some bottom. As you can see here, we could have dollar cost average here on the 4-hourly. And you would have seen that this support that's now turning into resistance at 25.9, 26,000. That's what we're doing with Bitcoin. So we're looking for it to break down. Oh, there's my guy. What's up, Viral Videos? So we're probably going to get another fall here. And this is exactly what I see. I'm not going to sing Do You See What I See, but big chance for that to happen. And this will correlate into that. So we're going to see if that happens. But I do see this being a potential possibility here. So be careful. Any FUD of the news anytime soon, you know immediately this is what's next. But 4-hourly, I'm kind of tired of looking at it. So I do want to get to the next chart here. I did adjust the ascending channel here. So this is very important. I adjusted the ascending channel. This is a daily chart. Each candle represents a day now. So we're looking at the 4-hourly. Now we're looking at the daily. This is ascending channel all the way from 2023 of January into December of 2022. I can't speak, excuse me. Coming in, as you can see, the wider ranges to the upside get bigger, but we did stop and we peaked out some reason at the 31,471. So 31.5 to be a little bit of a exact price. You can see we did go up a little bit, so we went up a little bit more than that. So you can see right about here, though, it's an important price level I'm watching on the yellow line. So we'll see what happens coming into this particular ascending channel that we had. We adjusted it. Do we hold this ascending channel with the support that is built here? There's a little bit of support right here on the daily, so it does change, 25.1. So I have a daily. Obviously, you can see the prices are a little different. We have 3 major factors, and I always give you 3 major factors of price, this being the support level. I want to turn it green. I think that's a good color. Let me know, hey, we bounce off this color. We can see nothing but green after this, right? So pay attention, definitely to mention. What price action is going to get me super excited? This would be my price coming in. Definitely fucked that up a little bit there. It's kind of annoying. It's hard to get in. It's 29,824. 29,824. Oh, yeah, I get precise on here, and I love technical analysis. 29,824 is the exact price. We don't even fool around with the dollars here. I wish I could get into the cents. But if you pay attention, there is a resistance level here back in April of this year. We hit resistance. We couldn't break above the 29.84. This is such important information. Came in for a cup and handle. I don't know if you've seen that. Cup and handle died due to a lot of FUD in the market. A lot of FUD. We couldn't even change that. It would have been a beautiful cup and handle with an upward W to the upside. But obviously, there was so much FUD, bad news going on, we couldn't fix that. So it's okay. But this is what happens. This is why TA prepares you. It could tell you where we might go, but that's why a cup and handle that looks so beautiful didn't break out. We seen the FUD. We heard about the FUD. There was nothing we could do. August, you could see what happened. We died. So we're looking at double top M's here pattern coming in. Do we keep building the support off this ascending channel here that I have? It's not even an ascending channel anymore. This is like I don't even know what this is. This is wild. It's like a roller coaster ride that's about to explode in an upward trajectory. I can't even speak right now. Upward trajectory right there. You see that? Do you see that? So this is kind of what I'm looking at now. If we continue to fall a little bit, it'll be nice. But remember when I say on my channel, I'm probably going to leave it with this 15 minutes into the video. When we get high roller coaster rides up and down in an upward trajectory like this, it's an explosion waiting to happen. Now, I don't have my indicators up on here, so we'll take a peek real quick. Let's see, and then we're going to go. If you have anything you want to talk about or see, I do understand. Let's check it out real quick for you. But exponential moving average is in here, and we're oversold. We're oversold on the RSI for the daily. We're oversold on the the stochastic oscillator for my indicator here on the daily. And then I break that all down, right? I've seen all that now. I see what it is. A little bit of volume coming in. Not a lot, but some volume coming in after some oversold stuff here. You can see 2 big 3 wicks in a row daily. We're getting some green action coming in. I wish I can get that trading view off. Let me see if I can move. There it is. So you're seeing here, we're starting 2 days here now in a row of some green volume action there on the volume. Let's pay attention to now the rest of the chart before we go. I don't want to get rid of the volume. Why not? Okay. Can't get rid of that, huh? Screw that up. All right, so here it is, coming in here. Now that we know all that, and you can see that we're starting to build some type of support on this line, and every time we build that beautiful support, what do? Well, we do get a significant, beautiful bounce. It's creating a new higher low. Unfortunately, what's got my attention, even though we are creating a new higher low from the previous lows here, we're actually establishing a support level here, telling me we're coming down from the year of this explosion. So a lot of people don't see that. A lot of people are blind. What am I talking about? Well, if you pay attention to this chart, and I get rid of my indicators now that we see what's going on, I can tell you from January how much Bitcoin's up. And a lot of people don't realize what's going on because from the start of the new year, and it's hard to tell, the start of the new year, even if we're at this price, and that's where we're at right about now, we're up over about 52%. So if you got into Bitcoin, right, when I said in the beginning of the year in December, if you watched my videos, and a lot of people did watch my videos. This is the end of the show. Appreciate everyone. Please hit the like and subscribe. If you watched my videos September 3rd already, it's disgusting. 3rd day already in. I thought it was the 2nd. Basically, you'll see November 2022, I'm telling everyone, this is the bottom. I'm telling everyone. I'm still telling you that was the bottom. We're going to come pretty close to this bottom here of prices, but we're not going to hit the 15.5 again. Can't never say never, but I'm confident in my TA that we're not going to do these silly things. We are starting to look like we're coming down a certain amount here. So, but pay attention. We were up 100% on the year. We're now 50%. So 52% still over a little bit. But I do see creating new higher lows. I do see an upward momentum coming, hopefully, if we do break the 25,163 level on that chart. If we do break that price, like I said, we're in a lot of trouble. We're going to see 21.6. So I have a fill order to buy in at 21.6. It'll be 21.5, obviously. So if 21.5 never occurs, or if the whales decide to keep buying up, I'm ahead of the game. This is why I do that. Wall Street Pete, sick dough and crypto. None of this is financial advice. I hope you have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Please be safe. You can talk about all the crypto assets, all the things we want in the world. And if you're not safe, if you're not alive, there's nothing you can do anymore. So please be safe. Please be careful. Hit the like button. Very important to put a thumbs up on this channel. A lot of people don't know about this channel. They're watching a lot of junk. I see a lot of females just going, yeah, so Bitcoin and the SEC. And I'm not trying to be a female hater or anything like that. No, not at all. There are some pretty good female and analysts out there. They're awesome. I'm just saying there's a lot out there, just a little bit of eye candy, a little bit too much, and they're getting a little bit of too much attention. And fine, you want to give it to them, that's up to you. It's not my job to tell you what to do with it. But I will tell you, hit the like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I do appreciate every one of you here. Crypto is going to be the only thing we talk about soon. Right now, it's hated. It's the most #1 hated crypto thing in the world. Crypto is hated. Crypto is a scam. Crypto is a bust. Crypto sucks. It's starting to happen to the people who are actually believing in crypto and investing. It's actually happening. One last thing before we go. BitBoy Crypto. Damn. Did you see the video? BitBoy Crypto admits he did too much. I commented on his channel. I said to him, I'm backing you, dude. But I left you when you started talking about, and we're on the channel this year, this long ago. BitBoy Crypto got pulled over by a cop, and he started mocking the officer for pulling him over for speeding and driving like a complete douchebag. I had a brother I lost in a car accident over a police chase. He died and was pronounced dead because he pulled over and got a sign that went through his stomach and ripped his stomach over, one of the yield signs. He pulled over because a cop chase was happening. And the officer was chasing a guy speeding. It was just a speed chase. And he died because of it. And BitBoy Crypto was making fun of the officer, mocking him like he ain't got nothing better to do. Hey, dickhead. You're the type of person who killed my brother. So that's why I unsubscribed. I don't know if anyone remembers the video. Go back 2 years ago. It was 2 years ago. I remember it. 2 years ago on my channel, I said it out loud, BitBoy Crypto, you're a douchebag. And you know what? He did a lot of drugs. He had a relapse. I hope that the man's okay, and I pray for his success. Why? Because I'm not a hater. So please, if you're enjoying the channel, don't hate on people. Don't focus on people's hate. Focus on your success. Focus on you. Focus on what other people did to succeed, right? We got enough haters in this world. We don't need any more. I mean, if you're not doing it right, you don't have any, then you're doing something wrong, of course. But don't be one of them. There's no reason to. Just be your own person. Stay away from the links. Don't click on any links. And pay attention. Pay attention, please, closely. Pay close attention to the stuff we talk about because the TA is real as steel. And when you see a double pattern here forming, support, and we're oversold, there's a chance we're going to bounce up here. So I have a 60% chance we're going to jump up here, 40% down because the momentum is coming to 21.6. But remember, we prepare ourselves. So we're going to be watching this exact price right now. This is one of the most crucial prices you're going to see in a while. As you can see, for the daily chart, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 days in a row stuck in this area. Usually that builds support, but the more times we keep touching the 25.16, that's where we're going to finally break down. So if I were you, I'd pay close attention to this area, see what the daily is going to do. If we break below here and finish a day below, we're in trouble. If we start breaking and jump above, I won't take anything serious still until we get above the 29.8. So you all have a wonderful day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Take care.